Hey everyone! It's time for another video. This time, we're talking about Healthwatch. In this video, we are going to discuss everything you need to know about Healthwatch in order to stay healthy and protect your health. We will cover topics such as heart health, cancer prevention, weight loss, sleep and more. So whether you're new to Healthwatch or just want to brush up on the basics, make sure to check out this video. Subscribe now so that you don't miss a thing. What is Healthwatch? Developed by a team of health and lifestyle experts, Healthwatch is an exceptionally designed fitness tracker smartwatch that will give you vital information about how various body systems are functioning in real time. The watch is meant to help the user with their fitness and consequently take the right steps towards improving their health. As it's basically meant to be a fitness tracker, the watch comes with many wellness-oriented features. For instance, the smartwatch has sensors that monitor your heart rate, your blood oxygen levels, and blood pressure. It also has a calorie calculator, so you know how many calories you are burning. There's also a motion sensor that detects your activity throughout the day. The watch comes with a stylish design. It's made of high-quality materials that make it extremely long-lasting. Other features that you will like include compatibility with Android and iOS devices so you can receive calls and message notifications, as well as multi-sport mode, which allows you to keep track of your sporting activities. Why do you need Healthwatch? If you like doing sport or working out, you are going to find this smartwatch extremely helpful. As I mentioned earlier, the watch was primarily designed to help people improve their health through fitness. It packs a variety of functions that will monitor various body systems and give you analyzed data that you can use to improve your health. Here is some of the information Healthwatch is going to provide you with in real time. Your blood pressure and blood oxygen levels. Your heart rate. Physical activity during the day. Apart from the wellness-related features, the watch also comes with other features that many similar products lack. For instance, it allows you to control your phone's camera. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices and gives you message and incoming call notifications. You can also get notifications from such social media platforms as Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. Other functions include alarm clock display, weather display, sleep information, play, pause or change songs, take photos, among others. Healthwatch comes with an easy-to-use Healthwatch app where you can view all your health stats at any time. With this data, you can easily keep track of your achievements and make the right changes towards bettering your overall health. It is worth noting that compared to many products of this sort, Healthwatch is relatively cheaper. Benefits of using Healthwatch. The smartwatch comes with a raft of benefits which include: it gives you analyzed data on how various body systems are functioning in real time. You can use the information it gives you to track your fitness activities and improve your health. It is compatible with Android and iOS devices so you can receive incoming calls and messages notifications. You can take photos with it. It can monitor your sleep so you know if you are sleeping well. It keeps track of your activity during the day. With its multi-sport mode, you can monitor a variety of sports activities such as swimming, football, basketball, cycling, etc. It is easy to use. Healthwatch key features. Heart rate monitor measures your heart rate and gives you data in real time. Blood oxygen level and blood pressure monitor. Calorie calculator tells you how many calories you have burned in kilocalories. Multi-sport mode monitors various sports activities like cycling, soccer, and swimming. Sleep monitor. Social network notifications. Compatible with Android and iOS, which allows call and message notifications. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Now you can pick your best Healthwatch here. Please share this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell icon for the upcoming new video notification. Thank you.